I just want to let you know that I am out. So take a look. Wow, I'm just so happy. That is the sweetest thing I have had in a long time.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I love you, baby.
That's so sweet of you.
And thank you for being my husband, my best friend.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you for being my wife too. Like I said, I don't know what I'll do without you. I love you so much and I'll forever do you.
I love you too.
That's a baby. I don't know what I'll do without you. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. If I have the opportunity to live over and over again, definitely I want you to be my wife. Even in my next life and afterlife.
How was it?
Oh.
What?
The hair robot you're cooking has rented the hair. Oh, can I have some?
Sure, you are going to get some, but that is when the dining is set.
Oh, you know what? Let me go in and give you a hand.
I have to eat. So, I don't need an extra pen. And if I'm going to get an extra pen, I will be on the bed.
You're just too smart.
Come on, guys, shower. Oh, baby, you look so good.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, the breakfast is ready then. I'm even about to serve. Can I just...
No. After some morning. I'm late. I have a lot to do at work.
Okay, let me pack it for you there.
That won't be necessary. I'm not hungry.
Hey. But why? Raymond wasn't happy this morning. Did I do anything wrong? We never had a misunderstanding or anything. It's sick my marriage. Ray! Raymond! Why? Not this time again.
Woke me up from my slumber. Everything is going beyond, and I'm losing it. And I'm losing it. And I'm losing it. And I'm losing it. Losing it. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. You treat me like a mother's slave. You make me feel less of myself. Treat me right, treat me right. My heart is broken. Treat me right, treat me right, treat me right. My heart is broken. Treat me right.
Babe, what have I done wrong? You've not been talking to me. You've been forbidding my food. You even put a pillow in between us. What have I done wrong that makes you despise me so much? Why are we living like strangers in our own world?
want you to listen to me and listen very good. You've done nothing wrong. I just want to sleep. Okay? I need to sleep.
Losing it, and I'm losing it, losing it, I'm losing it, I'm losing it. You treat me like a mother slave. You make me feel less of myself. Treat me right, treat me right. My heart is broken. Treat me right, treat me right, treat me right. My heart is broken. Treat me right. is a game that I'd rather not trade now and forevermore. If losing you is a game that I'd rather not trade now and forevermore. Oh, 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 oh.
loving you is a crime. Yes, I wanna be a criminal. Oh, I wanna love you again and again. Life with you is irreplaceable. Oh, please never make my life miserable. My love for you is real. You are my everything. You are my passion. You are my muse. Oh, I wanna live with you forever. Please never make my life miserable. My love for you is real. You are my everything. You are my passion. You are my muse. Oh, I wanna live with you forever.
A year after we got married, my wife died of cancer. Well, before she died, I had the chance to spend the last moment with her. And we spent hours talking about life, love, death, and lipstick. Lipstick. She loves putting colors on her lips. And she's so obsessed with lipstick. And she's always before an engraved mirror, praising her own beauty. She even asked me one day if the last order she made from the lipstick store was delivered. I was baffled. Then I asked, now why are you asking about lipstick in your current state? And she said, I will make it rain. And I don't want to look like hell when I die. So she instructed me to put some lipstick on her lips before she's been laid to rest.
Did you do that?
Yes, I did. It was beautiful.
Oh, yeah. I'm so sorry. I know you loved her so much. And I'm sure she's in a safe place now too. Please, you need to pick the pieces of your life and move on. You can't continue like this, Raymond. Please.
I will.
No. You don't have to do that now. Look at me. You have to be strong.
Okay, well.
I'm sure she's super proud of you wherever she is now.
Thank you so much. What would I do without you?
Can we snap out of it now? You remember? She remember the movie thing. The movie thing.
I'm even thinking of we just hanging out somewhere. But this weekend will not be fine.
I'm not told you I have the chance.
become superhero.
What do you mean superhero?
It is late and dark. Are you out there saving the world?
Well, I had a lot to do at the office. And it took longer than expected. I tried getting it done, but it took longer than expected. That's why I'm late.
You never run out of excuses, do you?
What is a report I have to submit as early as possible tomorrow morning?
The same excuse you gave me throughout last week. Aren't you tired?
Linda, I think you just have to trust me. Yes.
Trust? Trust my foot. Sis.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
You like it? Cool. How is your husband?
My husband. Oh. My husband is not a cheat, abusive, and a pathological liar.
A cheat? Abusive? Fred that I know is a loving and caring husband.
No, he's not. He's extremely promiscuous.
No. Linda, please don't take to that extent. The last time he apologized because he was wrong. And he promised to be a changed man. So what are you talking about?
You're right. But he screwed up again. Sis, I am pained.
Fred that I know is not an infidel. And please, calm down. Everything is going to be okay.
I'm trying to calm down. But sis, what do I do? I need my man. I want my marriage.
Linda, I think you need to speak with the counselor.
A counselor?
Yes, I think that's the option we have left. But please, I need you to be calm. I need you to be okay. I don't like to see you this way.
Okay.
You don't have to keep everything to yourself. That's why you have a counselor to talk to.
Okay.
Say, calm down. Okay?
Okay.
It's okay, baby. Just calm down, please.
Thank you.
Just have to smile. Not that.
Oh.
It's still a fake one.
Let me check your food, Joe.
If losing you is a game, then I'll ride and not trade, now and forevermore. Yeah, you're all that I want. Hey, you're everything that I want. Forever.
If loving you is a crime,
You know what, you get my notes tomorrow. I'll call you.
yes, I wanna be a criminal.
How are you talking to at this hour?
Wait, so you're telling me that the whole time I've been in the bathroom, you've been eavesdropping on my conversation? Oh, that's what you do now. You eavesdrop on my own conversation. I can't have my own privacy. I left the whole room for you.
Can you please stop that? Answer my question and stop putting up this stupid defense. Please, answer my question. Who are you talking to?
See, let me tell you something. That you don't know about me today. I'm a very responsible person. Yes, that's one. I'm telling you that I'm very, very responsible. And two, wait, are you trying to blackmail me? Or what are you trying to do? I don't understand all this too. Telling me I'm putting on you. And see, anytime you're talking to me, you watch your tone. Yes, you watch your tone, you watch that voice before I lose my temper. What's wrong with you?
Did you just say temper?
Yes.
Lose your temper! Yes, lose it! Lose that temper! Useless man, you're a cheat! You're not... Oh, see, I am still your wife. Either you like it or not, you have to accept that fact. You must do your worst today, and I will show you the kind of stuff I'm made of. Can you imagine? You don't even have respect.
Me, I will lose my temper on you. Oh, so you think I'm going to lose my temper really on you, right? Is that what you think? Me, this tiny thing. If I touch you now, you break. You don't think that me, I will waste my strength on you, beating you or shouting at you. Is that what you think I'm going to do?
Is it not this tiny thing that you are falling for?
Wait, who is falling for you? Who is falling? I didn't get out.
Me, I should get out. We are not going anywhere. See, we are not even sleeping tonight. It is me and you. And me and you alone. See, you cannot push me. You cannot push me.
That's your problem.
You make me feel less of myself. Treat me right. Treat me right.
I'd like to share something with you. I've been thinking a lot lately.
Can you please slow down? You need to put everything to rest.
See, it's not what you're thinking. I am considering taking up the job of a counselor. A lot of marriages are in problems.
You're very correct. Because my sister's marriage is one of the lot.
What do you mean?
Look, Ray, my sister is going through hell. I mean, she's in pain. Her marriage is something else.
See, a lopsided marriage requires intelligent and excellent counselor. Do you trust my wit?
Of course, you're going to be a great counselor. And I really need you to start with my sister's issue.
Mom, are you sure?
Is that a yes? Please?
Okay, it's a yes. Anything for...
Thank you.
Oh.
Lest I forget. I'm taking you somewhere.
Where?
Sit down. Relax. And enjoy the cruise. Can you fasten your seatbelt?
I need to know why you're taking me to.
Don't worry, I told you to relax. I'm taking you out.
You're full of surprises. I don't know what your plan this time.
You're my friend. Are you scared of me?
No, I'm not. It's just that I'm tired of your games and your plans.
Oh, I think this place is blocked, so we need to make a U-turn.
Oh, okay. It's a safe turn here.
Yeah, I think there's a road repair going on somewhere.
Okay.
Let's just go.
You drive gently and slowly.
Are you scared?
No, I'm not. Can be, but lately I don't know what you're up to. I don't even know what you're down your sleeve.
God. That's really weird.
You know you're wet.
I'm a good girl.
So, see, honestly, who have you been listening to lately? Who's telling you you're good?
But I know I am good.
I know you're better than anybody. So, I'm saying you're not anything close to that.
Oh my God. You know, when your best friend is saying that to you, that means there's a problem somewhere.
It's a joke. It's a joke.
That's an expensive one.
Okay? I'm sorry, your lordship.
Don't bribe me now.
So what do you expect me to do?
Remember I told you to talk to my sister.
But then I'm expecting that you're going to give me a feedback on that.
You know, she's really going through a lot of... I don't know what to call it. But you know, just kidding. They all think I'm married. Don't mind.
Losing you
See, I'm super excited that you chose to include me in your journey through life. I mean, it's a wedding anniversary in 3 days, and I've had a whole lot of things planned for us. I have a couple of friends coming from work. I have some couple of booze coming in, food, and is a DJ coming in though. And you can also invite your friends too for the party. And then we have a big bed to ourselves, very big room. We're gonna start our WrestleMania, some slam down, and smack down, and it sets us rightling and gyrating and doing everything. It's been 1 year. Why are you so quiet?
If loving you is a crime,
I'm quiet because there's nothing to celebrate.
I wanna be
What do you mean there's nothing to celebrate?
criminal.
There's a whole lot to celebrate, there's a whole lot to be thankful for.
I wanna love
A leopard never changes its spot.
Oh.
life with
What was the
you
lipstick
is
stain on my shirt last night?
irreplaceable.
A lipstick stain on my shirt? How?
Never make my
How did it? I don't know.
Are you asking me how? No, I don't understand. Are you just asking me how? Fred, don't try to play a fast one on me. Please!
I'm just surprised that a lipstick stain. You saw a lipstick stain on my shirt. I mean, it might have just been a contact from work. I mean, I must have just bumped into someone. I mean, you know me. I'm your husband. I wouldn't do anything to jeopardize our marriage. Yes, a contact from work.
Okay. You're such a smart ass.
What? Linda, you can't just believe that I would do anything. I mean, it's a wedding anniversary. How did I even do it? Lipstick stain? Just stop.
Hello.
Hello, sis.
How come you're not picking your calls? I've been calling you.
Don't mind me. I'm trying to put on some lipsticks.
I know you're not the best person to call if you need help urgently.
What is it? You started, right?
I got you just what you needed.
Are you serious? What is that?
Guess.
Sis, you know I am not good at guessing. Please tell me. I love you, sis.
No, don't bribe me now. Just give it a try.
Okay. You got me lipstick from Zaron?
All you know is lipstick. One more lifeline.
I'm on the call with you already. So, tell me.
Since you've chickened out, I'm gonna tell you.
Okay.
I got you a cantaloupe. I'm sure you're super excited.
I am not interested. And I don't even need any.
Look, Linda, I'm sure you do. Because the last time we spoke, you told me you love your marriage, you want to do anything to keep your marriage. This is what I think you need to help your marriage out.
Sis, can you please let us talk about this later? Please.
If that's what you want. Bye, sweetie.
Bye.
handsome.
Talk of the devil. I was about to call you. So what's the 411? Just me now.
What's up? Where are you at?
I'm home.
Okay. What about the stuff we talked about?
Oh, what stuff are you talking about?
Are you joking? Linda, of course.
The one you told me needs a picture, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so what about it?
Anyway, she's a little bit rigid, but I will press on and I'm sure she will give in some.
Oh. So how soon are we going to jump in?
Well, that depends on you, baby. I hope you're ready to work with me because I really need you to talk to her.
Oh. Been already anything for you, you know.
Yay! Thank you, darling. Thank you so much. I'm going to call you again. So let me keep pressing on and let me just try to convince her so that she will just listen to me so you can talk to her.
Okay, that's nice. I can't wait to see you again. So maybe we'll hook up some other time, or maybe in the evening. Just put a call through to me. I'm home. I'm not doing anything.
Don't give me a time. Don't give me a date. Don't worry. I'll call you when I think I want to see you.
Okay, take care of yourself.
All right, darling. Take care too.
Bye.
Bye.
Things are not the way it used to be. I'm afraid I'm losing you. Life isn't beautiful no more without you. My world is crashing. Wake me up from my slumber. Everything is going beyond, and I'm losing it. And I'm losing it. And I'm losing it. And I'm losing it, losing it, I'm losing it.
Baby, is everything alright? Are you okay? Baby, what?
You know what? I left some money in the drawer. And I can't find it.
I'm very sorry. I forgot to tell you. I actually used it for some content left. I said I was the one that took the money. I used it for myself. I need to get some things. I'm going to pay you back.
You will pay me back.
I will reimburse you.
You will reimburse me. You will reimburse me. Okay, I need my money this very moment.
Baby, you know I don't have it. I do.
No, you never had it. You didn't have it before. You don't want to have it now. No, it's not possible. When all you do is spend my money lavishly, carelessly.
Baby, but I said I'm going to pay you.
I said I need my money now. So if you can't pay me now, then what can you do for me? Oh, you plan to ruin me, yeah? Is that what you want to do? No, God will not allow you. God will not allow you to ruin me. I never knew I was married to this canker worm. Blood sucking and no fellas mosquito.
Thank you so much, sis.
I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed your outing.
Sis, I really enjoyed myself. I can't even remember the last time I went out, if not because of you. Maybe or maybe not, I would have killed myself.
No, don't even go there. Why would you want to kill yourself? See, this life is meant to be enjoyed. You're supposed to love yourself because this life is just one. And I promise to take you out at any time, at whenever you want it.
Thank you. That is why I love you. You're my sis.
As I'm your big sis.
Thank you. There's something I want to discuss with you.
No. Wait. Not after I ask this question. What about the stuff we talked about?
And what I want to tell you is, my husband and I want to do a year anniversary. I mean, wedding anniversary.
Linda, you didn't. I just asked you. What about the other thing we talked about?
Since you know me better, you should know that I don't want to talk about it. So, as I was saying, my husband had everything planned. So you are invited, and I trust you that you are going to put on the best. So, your sister wants to do a year wedding anniversary.
So you are inviting me for your wedding anniversary?
Before, you should be the first person I am going to invite because I don't have anyone else. I quote, anyone else except my darling sister.
Trust me, I'm going to be there. What are you talking about? It's my kid sister's wedding anniversary, and I'm going to be there, and I'm going to come with my friends, so it's going to be a big one.
It's a free world. Come with any of your friends. Pack the whole street. I don't mind.
I'm so happy for you, darling.
Thank you.
But don't hesitate to tell me or ask me whenever you need me to be around you.
Okay, sis.
I love you so much.
I love you.
As my only kid sister.
And as my elder sister, my gist partner.
Obviously, gossip partners. I remember when we were growing up. Oh my God, we used to do all those kind of gists.
That used to beat me. Leave me.
Yes,
Because you've changed now.
You're a married woman, no. She's not a married woman, no.
Stop reminding me that.
No, wait, you're a married woman now.
Sis.
You're Mrs. now.
Wait. When touching me? Have sex with who? Wait.
Me and my wife can't have sex with you.
Wait. Did you just call me your wife?
Yeah, you know my wife. Can I come here, Jim?
Excuse me. A canker. The woman that wants to ruin your life. You look, Mr. Man. You are not going to have it now. Not even anytime soon. Zip up, dog.
Did you just call me a dog? Did you just call me a dog?
What are you?
Deal with it.
Dog.
Deal with it.
Thank you very much for coming. I mean, Jamal, Isola, I really appreciate you guys. I mean, I know that you all know that a wedding anniversary is as important as a wedding. Yes, especially when you have a very gorgeous lady here, a woman of substance, dexterity, grace. Shall I go on?
Go on.
She's a woman of charisma. I mean, I love her so much. She's delectable, she's loving. I mean, what more can I say, guys? What more can I say? Well, let's just raise our glasses and let us toast to laughter, love, a good life, and may we all live happily ever after. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Cheers there. Some good wine.
Friend, darling.
Yeah, baby. Lay it on me, don't worry.
Oh. I wish in my next life I won't make the same mistake I made.
Okay.
You are such a virtuous man. You're sensitive. You're faithful. It has been a whole year of solitude, ambivalence, and ingratitude. Oh God, I'm tired.
Linda,
Yes, sir.
why didn't you iron my clothes after you finished washing them?
Sorry there. I was so tired. I can do that later in the day.
Later in the day.
Yes.
What are you doing now?
Like I said, I'm tired.
Oh, I see. Are you pregnant? You're not pregnant, are you?
No.
You see? Are you sick?
No, I just...
Woman, will you get up this minute and go do the needful?
Baby, I just said...
Lazy brat! Do you know you disgust me sometimes? No, do you know? You do little chores and you start lazing around like as if you have cleaned the whole street of Lagos.
Baby, I'm...
Are you still here? Get out!
Baby, I'm tired. I'm really tired. Please.
Get out of here!
Please!
I'm tired. I am tired. I'm tired. Tired my toes.
It took me so long to say this. But I am tired of this marriage. I want out.
Linda, look, I'm very sorry for everything I've done. I'm so sorry.
It's too late.
Linda, I'm sorry to hop into your conversation uninvited. It's never too late to do the right thing. Searching for a spark in relationship or marriage is trying to ignite a fire without a font. The great Socrates once said, an examined life is not worth living. But you also know that unlived life is not worth examining. I love my wife so much. But I love her much more after she died. When marriage is on the rock, you need to be careful. Most of the advice people give may sound very good and meaningful. But the question is, do they truly work? It works when you put in effort. Stone and sticks don't break bone. Good words and care does. Fred, you have to mean every sweet word that you say. You also have to rebuild the broken trust. And you have to also treasure what you have. Because if it sleeps, you will live to regret it for the rest of your life. So it is pertinent that you do what you say. Linda, letting go will not solve the problem because you don't know what awaits you. Marriage is worth the fight. Bisola once told me that you love him. So why not out?
I'm so sorry, Lord. I'm deeply sorry for everything I've done to you, and I promise that from today henceforth I will do everything and anything in my power to treat you better, love you more than this. I promise.
Linda, he's sorry. Please. You know you're my kid sister. And I want you to stay. I love you. Please forgive Fred. And I'm sure Fred will mean everything you say.
Yes, yes.
He's going to tell you love you and you're going to love your husband. Please forgive me. Please.
Do I even have a choice? I don't have a choice than to forgive the father of my unborn child.
Unborn child?
You're pregnant?
Thomas.
Oh my God! You're pregnant!
Yes.
Oh, baby. Oh, that's so nice.
Congratulations.
Oh,
I'm so happy.
thank you very much.
Oh my god. You need to be an auntie.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Lisa, when I thought all this dark and gloomy, you brought me sunshine.
What are you doing?
Please, be my wife. Let me be the one to apply your lipstick daily. Just say yes.
Yes. Sister.
Just say yes.
No! 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 Are you okay?
Babe, what's wrong? What's happening?
Why did you have to lie?
Like,
Why do you want to marry my own sister? She's my only sister.
something is wrong somewhere. Sorry. Are you alright, babe? Doctor, is she alright?
Your wife is fine. Like I told you, she drank to stupor. So she must probably have had some sea drinks, maybe.
See, you passed out. You drank yourself to stupor. See, I was only playing prank on you. See, I wanted to be a prank master.
Ray.
Oh.
Ray.
I can hear you.
Ray, please, I need your attention.
Okay. I can hear you.
See, I am in a maze. And I'm highly confused right now. I am tired of this so-called marriage. I am tired.
Sorry, I don't get it. Why? What have I done wrong? I don't get it. What exactly is wrong here?
You see, I actually don't have any explanation to give you. I just want to let you know that I am out, so take your look.
It's a joke. You can't be serious. What have I done? Please, you can't leave. Please. I don't understand. What is it that I've done? Please, I can't leave you. I can't let you go. Please. You know I love you. You can't do this.
Oh my God! You know I love you. You can do this. If there's anything I have done, you can. Really, my darling. See, it is just a prank. You have always been the prank master, so I got you so bad. And you know what?
Yeah. Just get out of here.
Please.
You're silly. You're almost.
Return the ring back to the proper place.
I would like.
I know you can. You've already confessed your love. Like, I love you so much. I do this, I do that. So.
Okay, let me do the commitment.
Please, this is the right one.
So love, the end of prank.
No, you are still going to do another one. And the next one I'm going to do will be so bad.
Okay.
I love it. Thank you, I love you so much, Daddy. You know I can't leave you. I can't even leave it without you. Thank you.
The last prank you played on me got to me very bad. So I decided to play a fast one on you. But sincerely, I don't mean it. I love you.
It was just like I love you too.
See, it's your birthday, so the prank is just to get at you. Happy birthday, babe. anniversary.
Congratulations.
Oh, congratulations.